Hi everybody, so today we are going to be unboxing the Fall 2021 Kathryn Morgan Haul. As I say every time, if you want to be surprised, click off, go away, goodbye. This one is super exciting. We are moving away from theme and I'm just trying to give you all things that you can wear, that you can want. As I said last time, we are taking into consideration different body types, more inclusive sizing. This sizing goes up to 2XL. So that's really, really important to me. I am listening to you guys. As always, I want your feedback. If you do purchase this haul, please feel free to tell me the truth. I am not one of those people that is just going to be like, how dare they? Like, tell me the truth. So the leotard and skirt are exclusive this time, and they are custom this time. They are by Active Royale. And the leotard is a 3/4 sleeve, half sleeve, my personal favorite down to the elbow, green with black floral mesh. Perfect for fall. Look at this color. It's the same color if you were watching the Disney Center that I did the Peter Pan Petit Allegro in. It's that same green that they provide. It's the same leotard actually, just with the black floral mesh around the top. It is absolutely beautiful. I love it. As I said, we are offering larger sizes now, so you can absolutely purchase larger size if you need one. More inclusive sizing, really important to me. So that is the leotard. Again, I designed it, exclusive, custom. Thank you, Active Royale. And you're also getting the matching skirt. The black, it's mesh. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is a black floral mesh skirt. This skirt is also a little bit longer than previous ones. Again, a little more inclusive. They're not so teeny. For reference, in all of these pictures, I wear a medium. I actually wear a medium in most leotards. Pretty much every brand across the board. So just to kind of give you sizing reference. I don't know if I've ever said that before, but mediums are the most comfortable on me. So that is what I have on both in the leotard and in the skirt. And as always, you get a pair of tights by Dancewear Corner. That is all in this box this time, you guys, because this is super value. These leotards are very, very high quality and normally very expensive. So you get the leotard, the skirt, and the tights. Full outfit from Active Royale, one of my new favorite brands. I love them so much. I wear their stuff all the time, I think, as you guys have seen. So huge, huge shout out to them. Leave us your feedback. Let me know how the sizing works for you guys. Let me know how the fit works for you guys. I want to collaborate with them on a different style in the future, so give us your feedback. But that is the beautiful fall haul. I'm so excited. And this leotard is so me. Like, you know what I mean? Like, it's like, oh, that's a Kathryn Morgan leotard. So I'm so, so excited about it. Thank you to Active Royale. Thank you to Dancewear Corner, as always. We really are listening, you guys. We are trying to give you what you want because there's no point in doing this otherwise. So leave us your feedback. If you missed whatever latest video it is, perfect for you. Right there, you can click it to watch. Love you all so very much, and I'll see you next time.